Are you ready for an awesome ABC adventure? Let's jump right in. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Sing along with me. H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Keep going, don't stop. Q, R, S, T, U, V. Wow, you're amazing. W, X, Y, and Z. Great job. Give yourself a high five. But wait, let's make it even more fun. I have some silly phonics games just for you. Are you ready? First game, letter sounds. When I say a letter, you make the sound. Let's try. What sound does B make? That's right. Ba. How about S? Like a snake. You're so good at this. Now for our second game, alphabet treasure hunt. Can you find something around you that starts with the letter T? Maybe a toy or a table? Shout it out. Awesome. One last silly challenge. Let's sing the ABC song super fast. Ready? Deep breath. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Whoa, that was speedy. Did you keep up? Learning your letters can be so much fun. Keep singing, keep playing, and soon you'll know all your ABCs and their sounds. Thanks for joining me on this ABC adventure. Until next time, keep smiling and keep learning. Bye-bye.